Here we've got the cleaner. We pour our soybeans here, and they will be driven by the screw conveyor, which is inside here, to be put into the cleaner. And that pipe, it pumps the dust from the soybeans out there. Okay, so this cleaner, it processes the soybeans to remove all the dead stones like this. Okay, once the soybeans have been cleaned, they are driven by this screw conveyor in to the harmony where it breaks down the soybeans into smaller components, which can then be transferred again using the screw conveyor with the extruder. This extruder processes the soybeans such that they can be pressed, they can be easily pressed, so it processes and heats the soybeans to produce full fat material. Okay, and this is the extruder. Once the soybeans have been extruded, they'll be driven once again by the screw conveyor to the oil press. We've got three, as you can see, we've got three oil pressing machines. Oil press 1, oil press 2, and oil press 3. Okay, so once the full fat has been pressed, they produce fat, or you can say oil, but this is raw oil, or say crude oil. It is full of impurities and all kinds of that. So once the full fat has been pressed, they produce something we call oil cake. Oil cake. This oil cake will be extruded here. It will fall into that. And if you look down there, there's this screw conveyor which drives the oil cake there. And this belt will eventually lead to the pellet machine where the oil cake will be used to produce pellets. So in the meantime, let's deal with the oil refining plant. Okay. So once the oil has been pressed, as you can see, this is the crude oil which has been pressed. It's full of impurities and all kind of dirt. So it will be pumped using this pump to this one. This one is the filter. It filters the oil to produce the desired color. So once the oil is filtered, it will be directed to that small tank over there. But if the oil has not reached the desired color or the desired filtered product, it will be returned there and it will be filtered once again until we reach the desired kind of oil. Okay, so once we get the desired product, we put the oil here. And these small things you see, these are more like filters. They filter this kind of cake, so that our oil will be clean. Once the oil has been filtered, it will be pumped now using that delivery pipe to the tanks. So these tanks, this is where all the magic happens, where all the main processes happen. Okay, so look at our tanks. We've got two refinery pots which refine oil, and we've got deodorizing tank, because our oil used to have like the odor of soybeans, of which we do not want that in our oil. So these are the two refinery pots. They will refine our oil, and this one is the decolorizing pot. Okay, our oil will be more like a dark liquid because it still has some impurities. So this pot decolorises the oil to produce the desired color of the oil. Then this one is the deodorizing. It removes the soybean smell from the oil such that it is just regular oil. Then from there, our oil will then be pumped to the packaging system. Okay, don't forget, okay, this is our steam generator.
The pump, oil pump to this one.
Okay,
The polish filter.
What?
Polish filter or bag filter.
Polished oil filter.
Do a second filter.
Okay, so once our oil is being deodorized and decolorized, it will go through this second and final polished oil filter. It filters the oil for the final time to get the desired color. And once it has been filtered through this deliver pipe, and this pipe is the one which will deliver oil to the automatic packaging machine. Okay, so that delivery pipe, it goes through here and it is going to this like small storage tank. Okay. So we haven't unveiled our automatic packaging machine. So it is covered to keep the dust away because our machines are dust sensitive. But then we can take a peek. Okay. So firstly, we've got the automatic filling machines. We put our bottles here. They'll be driven by this chain conveyor.